The first closed line we will cover is in northern Victoria along the Murray River, the line which ran between Kerrang and Koondrook. Unlike most of the lines built in Victoria since the inception of the Victorian railways, the Kerrang-Koondrook Tramway was privately built. The 22-kilometre or 14-mile line opened in 1889. On the 1st of February 1952, ownership transferred to the Victorian Railways. Apart from through running of VR locomotives on goods trains, the relatively new 102 horsepower Walker rail cars took over passenger services. We now move into the early 1970s. The Swan Hill passenger train arrives and departs Kerrang Station. The railcar commences the journey to Koondrook by negotiating manually operated points. In later years, it ran mainly to carry school children to and from Kerrang. The only substantial buildings on the line were at Koondrook. Goods trains progressively had smaller loads, although on this particular day there were plenty of wagons Koondrook bound. The local ganger was responsible for maintaining the line, using a motorised trolley to inspect it. The line officially closed on the 3rd of March 1981, although train operations had ceased much earlier than this. As with almost all closed lines in Victoria, one might say, to ensure that lines cannot be reopened, complete removal of the track was undertaken between Koondrook Station and the oil sidings near Kerrang Station. At Koondrook Station, a replica Sentinel locomotive is coupled to a short goods consist and stands as a permanent tribute to this line.